Hello everyone, taking the green color paper, fold it like this and fix it on the top. Now make the spring-like shape with the help of a paper, fix it over the top to make the face of the frog, make its legs, and it's done. Next, we'll be making these hot air balloons. So we'll be taking the plastic cup and then we have to put the sticks on the sides of it. Now take the clay, roll it together and then you have to fix it on the sides of the plastic cup like this. Now on the top of it, we'll be putting the clay balls. So first take a paper, roll it like this and apply the double-sided tape on the top of it so that it gets sticky. Now after that, paste it like this. Now after rolling it, we'll be putting the clay balls like this as shown in the video. Make the balls and your hot air balloon is ready. Next, take a plastic container and fill it with the clay like this. Make some dots on it. Now take the clay balls and make the flower and put the yellow color clay in the between. Make a stick with the green clay and fix the flowers, put the leaves and it's done. Next, take the papers to make these handle bags. So take the colorful papers, cut it from the between, make the round shapes and paste it like this. After pasting it, paste the strips on the sides of it. Now turn it and fold it like this. Now take another paper strips and fix it in the between one by one. Close it like this. Keep fixing it on the alternative strips to make a basket. And on the top of it, we'll be fixing the extra parts of these strips by folding it inside. Now after that, we'll be making its handle. So after closing it like this, take another paper to make its handle and fix it on the top and it's ready. Next, take a wooden cardboard piece and then we have to cut it out in the shape of a cloud and apply the clay on the sides of it. Put the small clay balls over it and then make its eyes, nose and mouth. Now take a thread and put the clay balls like this and attach it with the cloud and it's ready. Next, take a cylindrical object and color it. Cut it from the top into pieces. Now paste them to make the petals of the flowers. Now we'll be making the leaves. Color it with the green color. Make the stick of the flower like this and it's ready. Next, take a red color clay, make the balls like this and then you have to paste more like this and then roll it to make a rose. After folding it, we'll be taking a purple color paper to make the bouquet. Paste the flowers over it like this and your bouquet is ready. Next, we'll be making the cap. So we'll be taking a green color paper, cut it out like this and then join them by pasting it like this. Take the paper strips and fix it on the top of it as shown in the video. Take another piece of it and fix it like this and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the paper cups to make these houses. To draw the doors and windows on it like this. After drawing it, we'll be making its roof. After coloring it, make the grasses on the sides of it. Make some flowers. Now take a yellow color paper to make its roof and it's done. Next, we'll be making this bow and the arrow. So take the ice cream sticks like this and paste them with the help of a glue gun. Now after that, put the holes on the sides of it and then fix the sticks in the front. Now using the rubber bands, we'll be fixing like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making this ladybug. So we'll be taking green color paper, fold it like this from the between. Now open it like this and then you have to take a red color paper, cut them into half to make its wings and then make the patterns over its wings and it's done. Next, take a straw, cut it from the between like this. Apply the glue gun and open it and fold it like this and fix it. Now make one more as such. Now fix it to make these specks like this. Make its handle by folding it on the sides and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a thermocol or a foam like this and cut it from the between. Draw the lines on it and then cut it out to make a face of a piggy like this. Color it, make its eyes, nose and mouth and your piggy is ready. Thanks for watching our video.